Okay, so before I go into the video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. I'm just going to use a lighter, my bracelet, and a compass. We're going to use this to prove a theory. Okay? I'm going to set up the thing right now. Also, this is a good way to prove to you that you cannot wear these out in the sun. Okay, let me move this up again because it's hot. There you go. Okay. Now you see I'm not touching anything. That proved to you that this bracelet is creating energy right now. So if you are out in the sun, you actually will absorb this heat. Remember, we want this to be cold. See that? Okay, now a normal bracelet should not do that. Okay? This is my normal bracelet. Let me touch it, see? Even me touching it, it's not powerful enough to do it. But when you heat this up, this is what will happen. It's losing heat right now, so you don't see moving that much. Let me heat it back up again. This one was broke. It broke on me, so even though it's broken, it's still working, you see? As long as you connect them. It broke right here, and I connect them. See? There you go. See it? Just by moving back and forth. I'm not even holding on to it, see? I'm holding on to this. See? The magnetic changes. Okay? That's normal. Now I'm changing it. Okay? That to prove to you that when this thing is hot, it's creating a magnetic field or radiation. What is hot? Hot is radiation. See, I don't have anything clip on. You can see these two ends and everything. You can test this yourself. Get a small compass like this. Heat this up, and then you'll be able to test your bracelet out. And this is why I invented this bracelet, and that's why I said I'm very proud to be the first person in the world actually figured this out. And because, like I stated in many of my videos, suffering was the worst part of them all. And by me suffering, I was able to think out of a box, and it leads me to this place today. See, now I'm losing, but it's still working. Okay. You can see I'll do it really slow. Okay, and I'm holding on to this, and it's hot. I can't even hold on to that, but you heat it up high, you'll be able to see this. So what does that prove? It proves that it can create a magnetic field. Or what is a magnetic field? Magnetic field is a radiation. It's a form of radiation. That's how a battery is. I'll heat it up one more time. Actually, I like it because it creates really nice colors, you see. Okay, one more time. Wow, that's a lot, you see it? Because I put it on a lot. So that to prove to you that we created magnetic fields. Well, in this case, this thing, it gets so hot, it created radiation. Radiation is a form of magnetic field, or that's why they call it electromagnetic fields. Well, that's what we're doing. We're creating electromagnetic field. Well, your body will do that too, but in a smaller form. Smaller than that. I call it the nano, because that's what it is. See, it's still working. Still more powerful because this is too much. And that's why I said when you're out in the sun, you need to cover this. Simple as that. And that to you, to prove to you, the proof of concept that by testing this out, you're able to understand what that bracelet does. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video. I hope this is educational, and at the same time, you will learn something from it. I will see you in the next video.